Hello and welcome to today's new video. In this video we will be checking out if the DVLA Phantom sound is improvable. I think it doesn't sound very convincing at lower volumes. Of course you have your typical DVLA Phantom sound characteristics like bass down to 30 or 25 Hz, but the ear can't hear this well on lower volumes. And many companies do loudness compensation. I don't think that DVLA does this, or at least if they did it, not strong enough. So I got this EQ app, it is called EQ10. I think you can get it on iOS and Android. It is $1, so you have to pay for it, but we can check it out. I will quickly turn down the volume to a very low level because many of you will be listening at around 30%. So I think this should be good. And let me set up everything. And I hope it isn't too loud for the microphone as it is standing directly in front of the Phantom. This won't be a professional sound check, just to show you how much better the sound can get. So yeah, I think the loudness is okay for the mic. We are at about 40% on my phone, but when you count the DVLA app in, because your phone only gives you 80%, you have to open the DVLA app, and then you can get 100%. This is only 30% or 20% of the volume. So let's just tune it. I will get in some bass boost at around, I think, 70 to 90 Hertz, which makes it much bigger sounding, or let's say 60 to 90 Hertz, and then we will also boost some of the treble and we will hear the improvement. Yeah, I think I'm done now with the tuning. You could see that I just boosted some of the treble and some of the bass at around 83 Hertz. And now we can try it with and without the EQ. Just way more, convincing. At these lower volumes together with the EQ, it sounded very full. I mean, the bass was even earth-shaking on lower volumes. Without the EQ, it just sounds very flat and tinny, but together with the EQ, it just sounds like at 80%, like it was playing at 80%, just that it is playing at around 20 to 30%, which is, very nice. Sadly, this is the only track I can use, which is this jazz track called This Christmas. Because it doesn't work together with Apple Music, and you can see I have some titles here, but I don't really like them and they already are a little bit outdated, and somehow it doesn't support Apple Music, so I only have this one, which is copyright free. But I hope I could give you an idea. So if you have a Phantom, just buy the app, and if you don't have Apple Music or some other streaming services, you will be good to go. It is worth $1. It can improve almost every speaker sound. Of course, also the Phantom. Didn't thought of this, but at lower volumes it really sounds better. Of course, at higher volumes you need this flat tuning so you don't get any distortion, and at higher volumes the bass is also much stronger than in lower volumes. But yeah, I hope you like this quick short video about the Phantom. I hope you like the camera perspective. Until then, have a great time. First, if you like the video, please leave a like or subscribe to my channel. Until then, have a great time and bye bye. What was this? I think I make bye bye or just bye bye.